very good enough for the game. Yeah.
Okay, and summer and from Poma sorry to Ja. Namono United and Airport, a newly promoted side. Mube and Darity Wamwana.
Nowadays, won't me underrate any team. Say I feel no free first division about premiership. For me, I don't believe in Sahane. It's about the way I approach the game and treating like any other game.
Yes, of course. And when you treating say any big side be and airport na any idea game no and Friday. On Sunday na any power fini adade nemo there some na wo catch your supporters na be na won baba be piemu e wo KWAME Sports Complex.
No I think they be here one say ebe my that support, that positive support. And game is over 90 minutes. And you don't expect say we dominate the game na 90 minutes no it drew baby opposition also will also do a basa. It doesn't mean a Nemankoye. That is where fans will expect almost over 30 minutes.
And in summer, coach Nelly to Jayanko, Emmanuel and no a player, Edman Nations FC. Now, Emmanuel, so far this season, more performance now, and Konkai, over league table, no Sukrana, and Konkai, yes, some of our career Chemochita for.
It's a player, no, who is a baby at and then me as a player, and I know, say, my colleagues, so I home up, and then sometimes I discuss if I didn't come up, and then we are making sure, say, we will not stay there, we will climb up, and then I know say it has already started.
Yes, you say before na Ashasiano no yenkopiemu ewo Ibrahim Tanko nyame admado chna won ko eye Duana na fe Duana Stars akwakobo na Ibrahim Tanko de busan say approach ben and awori ko game we say mu.
No, I think like any other game, and like I said, we are playing away, but we play almost like we are playing home. So, and Aduana this season, very good recruitment, very good team, and my good friend Atapoku, we spoke a lot during the break, and I know the work he's doing there, very fantastic. But I think we are also Mediama, and we are in good form, and we are going there definitely not just to look there. We are going there to either win or take the points.
Kwashe and I say be betimi enya point bako and I'm yansani nyina enso ede aba na message ben and our Mediama Sporting Club echita fo nyina.
Of course, and we are doing with them, and they always support us every week, home or away, with their prayers. So the same, we are going to do the job, so we need their prayers. Those who can come also, we want them to come and support us.
Wonso wa man wa bompaye enso ejama Kamaradini Mamudu wono a player edema Mediama Sporting Club wono so akasa ojire se omokono omo the point and I said 3 points nyina ene bepiemu ewaye takwa
share Ghana Premier League teams in any venue Doma one of the top venue awuka when him say shipa but me ankasa metima akase ye lusu de ye ko at the point aba either 3 points or a point. Ye de be freedom aba.
Na yenkopiemu ewa Duana FC Choba Aristika one year manager etema Duana Stars bobo kono yemu sanu se Mediama eba na approach ben and amodi ko game we say mu.
Yes, I respect the Mediama team about this one team good. Every season is fighting from the champion from the first position. He have the very good player, he have the good coach. But here in Doma, in Aduana, start from the home, I know like gives chance from any team coming and collect the points. For me, mentality, the player is the same now. He's fighting, if it's possible, die inside in the pitch from this game and not lose.
Na you say Aduana Stars still na game by game, more improve na secret crown any day.
It's good about, I tell you before, waiting week to week, in training week to week, the game the same, game to game, improve every day, improve every week from some player, and understand our philosophy, our plan from this season, and you will coming step by step up. It's good. let's focus and concentration from the next game about.
So travel all the way na fe amoni Holy Stars akwakobo na nana amankwa approach ben and amodi call a Holy Stars game we mu.
Yeah. Very different approach because of the medical catch. Never be because of camp. Injury or area so set in. And we say away game. Even though we need the points very badly, but in here, you know, a very different approach and a call for this game.
A different approach kwa the echo game we say mo na maminko Bechem United one coach we a new coach at Bechem and so assigning no a Kwabena Amisa na ene Kwabena waba na saying and I walk area to Bechem my any chitafo bia OTO.
First of all, I would say I'm very happy to be back to Bechem. I've been here before, I've worked here before, so the feeling is good.
Okay, me ankasa na maba dia na maba biem what you say na preparation ben and amu here and so atwen young apostles.
Yeah, it will be a very difficult game for me as a first game for me, and it's going to be a very difficult situation for me. But with the little experience that we have gained,
and somebody to draw na 11 wonders coach, yes, honestly a new coach, yes, J.E. Sapon. Man, I don't pay any yepa. Not the tennis, and they obey any team no send it here on Saki coach says, now for bar, be a player's attitude, no, not only more bond in the crack at St. J. Sapon.
I've been very friendly, and me having been a teacher before, I know how to interact with them. You know, so I think we joke together, we play together, we talk together. Anything that's worrying them, we discuss. And that is the main purpose of being a coach of a team. It's their father, their grandfather, their everything. Whatever they want, you have to be free with them to be able to explain everything to you. And that will move the team forward.
Kwadano, me buy any dear, me no mu diagro, me no mu sere, me no mu ye bibia, and so ebome sansam yeja, na wakasa area for mu preparation mu ye, and so area attrain a Vision FC.
Well, as you can see, we are very serious about that one. We haven't played and then lost in the 84th minute. It means with a little bit of push, we'll be able to sail over whatever it is. Any problem that we we'll have to overcome it. Because playing 8 matches, we are going to the 9th match. It's nothing dangerous, you know. But if it's in the second round and then you put you in that position, that's why you fear.
Okay, and then summer and coach J. Sapon and so Eddie Tuja, Honomo, na Emaro Fisanyami Adama Sunday 4 p.m. our Accra Sports Stadium Super Clash. Ebaso, and Santi Kotoko, Etwa Accra House of Oak Nafe, Wamonso Eddie Aboni, Obama Santi Kotokendra, Okwa Dakwa Jacha, Nesamranteno, a training one more ahead of game and also a person Babaya, and so Enra with me a training or twaso, and so Fringe Abranada, or Bobe, a 10 minutes beyond ma, Asante Koroko trainer, Wamo Enso Eye Enrano, and I will anyway screen so na ene detia and say Aja Kotoko Manankasano, Mohamed Kamara, and my referee say Guinea national team no Yatu and Sa Edia Freno, enti and Kamara and so Akasa Edia Fakorapa, one also Enya.
I'm happy to represent my country, and thanks from the coach and my teammates. I Mercy Kotoko to.
How would this collab help you as a player?
The national team is the high level. I'm happy to represent my team Kotoko, and then learn from my teammates. Thank you.
Former House of Folk midfielder Ibrahim Salif Weseko Benina was switching Kweku Edilson Benin national team no when you call up one man ene Ibrahim Salif so ne dia enso eno na anope mamin kanfo electromat enfama na electromat dia triple rod bonanza no guso ekoso 60% discount na fe okoto ade wonom say bia auto air condition fridges a me pacho wie say pa na ye say chow iron blender na fe obese nya phones enti bomodi a na phone ni chomo mo showroom bia na kokoji niam ni bi wonom na downtown restaurant foforo kra ene na ye bia no eni shanu sie pa na odo ni chomo Santasia pre me pacho dia Petroland filling station mo honom na ena downtown restaurant wo pe ene ye ne aduane ni bi anaso odo ni chomo nkrofo nkroso aduane bi wonom a eno so honom na wonim se wo be piem wonom a ene wo kwa we no odo ka kwa a free car wash womo wash wo car e de ama etiko ne kokodi di a downtown restaurant and on American for the amount na Bash Digital Satellite decoder outdoor ben out a game center in Yamisomo Monkono na idea all kinds of decoders there or the aba into eno ejumekobia Monkonko TV and famra bobomo na bibian konkan Abripo Junction and no air ship mu Kotoko Junction one na wo frezo 55628777 na me pato idea shell bomodian na wura shell baby abewura bia no okwa de ko sa oyo no oyisa oyo na unim se ne wo ho kwan se baako edu okọ na fa akọ check o car no eti bomodian na wura mu enso owo shell no na skins shaving bomb solution na de baako ne se obi ono ma wo yuti abon se ne na nsawansawa na ba be gugu wa ono no wabodwase wo shevu se pe na nsawansawa bi gugu obi onso pimples no akakraka eno na make for skin shaving bomb solution enso dem no pay furniture mu Love Life Pharmacy and I send a Panacea Pharmacy me pacho be bia ubenya bi ato e wono mo Nezan cable meters na anopay de tianyina ense cable meters ne de se obego akoto no ba bi na afebon se be wie che no na wankasa wono o de beko na de akwakọ ya oda no wense ebeye no na fa ba be bibia o da bi bomodia ne ko na fe koto Nezan eye cable meters ne bi na so yisu na ofie no na ene enkoba sa twawonchem bia ebetimi ato na Gardenaba Industries a Gardenaba Mesa and a Gardenaba capsules and a penunum bibomu Koko away a dia bema so why a minute debi Wontumi da a Gardenaba Industries one more drumadiaba Gardenaba Mesa and a Gardenaba capsules nunum bi na oko pharmacy aba shop woman bebia wo jodia na and pay the tennis Royal Wow no promo no guswa e koso Royal Phone for no na unim se na uramu na ope e lona surface na 50% off e dia tenyas ade bia beto obia no e dia yatete so furniture mo Royal Foam wo showroom bebia kokojo de Midima Forever Hospital Dr. Tam dazo san opemin kancho say ne wo ya bema wo be so peja bema ni mo awasam na ye problem dia ma dia e Midima Forever Hospital no nko a any timid time eto yare so ampa ho edu ape na yare no away yenko Kumasi Buakwa Agogo Accra Pokuasi Mayora wo frezo 244-774282 Tabia Takum Obata Fribi Bema Tafribi na fe yenhyehyemu yebeti de nyina Tabia Takum me pacho enam yare nso no Tabia Zanikel eno na me kan for dia ma infections awdo nyina ekọ ensawansawa no ekọ oba begugu no ma na me so eni nyina ekọ Tabia Zanikel ena me kan for enso etama Filitimo Industries Limited eno ye filomekne no wunya bi niana wunya bi nom yana bomodiane kopebi sanse ayadia protein wom calcium wom ena nkwala no free celsius ekọ no de ebomu ye pam mo vitamins nkwala no ese boost mo immune system no ene ye Filitimo Industries Limited wo filomekna wo ediaba no na easy buy phones just 300 Ghana cedis per sikadada no 3 million na odenya wo smartphone entin kasa mini phone bema wo girlfriends Toby man we dey simple we betu tane kakaka 18 years to 70 years wo qualify doing your Ghana card and as a voters ID card now they are called Max Buy Enterprise and as a Franco Trading Enterprise wo frɛ 0596920578 na no pay me kan fo saso kunkluntum preko entontum ye kumwamo me sentuntum won ma de ya enso oba o mekao no osua na osew na wo spread ne sepe be 10 minutes ankokoda entontum ne mada wo betime yusu kwan bi kwan so boaye pa e ma dem won mo so no etimi ye hwam e saso mo anketenketu bia e wo dem bia no wo mo be fifiri won mo na me pacho Buzia Ventures fon papa fie no na Buzia Ventures nso se anopemin kanche se de oyan ya Ghana card pe na fe waba wo betua somo amount sika kakra bi pe na bia brand phone pen na wo pe Itel phones Techno anasa Infinisa wo do ni HMO e wo me pacho Kumasi Zoo opposite Kretia e ho na me chain no e no two shops and one no anope yenko e Buzia Ventures nyanko koje phone no mo Alaska Star Enterprise Alaska what the blind curtains need about Alaska my boys dem ayefe Alaska my sorry e dem wo nyina ayefe restaurant o osiesie no mo e Alaska Star Enterprise furniture mo e wo ne Kumasi Dun Open Prudential Plaza on na Mrs. Anoche eye Plaza e ho na okọ Alaska Star Enterprise no akwaje ni West Scientific Hospital Dr. Nimo e ya wasam nko adia Dr. Nimo mentra no nkase ne awone ma na mfa nkọhye bayifo bomodian etu anamo na ko ni West Scientific Hospital Dr. Nimo so ye wo da ni chemo Kumasi say Atonso Monaco Junction open Adansi Rapa Kwanma 0244 087687 Kennedy Digital Satellite Kennedy Mr. Kennedy me pacho TV no inches ben and I open would on each one of my one side can be water tesuye pa wouldn't say tabletop fridges nina APL one more na ne adia would on each one ma popcorn machine ko na koko jodie e Kennedy asweye na anope Vema Plus Limited omo edi Prostavate aya capsules one more area pa na Prostavate capsules no adia buan se e ma ujun seye pa wo jonso kama na S dry capsules no so no eno so boa bema ke krebi pe na hono asba there be esa hadwe pa ko pebi na no be eba phones and accessories eba eno iPhone ye kwakoje iPhone no je tenyina nse we no me pacho 40% pe now dia to iPhone no ne dia ope 11 o 12 o 13 o ekosi dia wo dia epim bia no wo dia ne se we no character no guarantee bia enkofa ma me na papa bia ma dabi wo do ni HM e wo kuma se dun opposite Mercado Plaza 0200 689170 no bien security system wo si fie ni wie se pe no opon ho ka dia eno electric fence no me so fa bi gu ho se ne be ya kronphobia entime ma CCTV cameras no install bi o fie no na bi bia si fie no ma wo so atime hu de tie wo do ni HM enso na wa frɛ 0240 603141 executive eba center na anopay me so bibia ye free e ho okɔ no na a free kidney scan a free liver scan a free stomach scan jobe nyina ne sɛ sika kakra bi na de ahye ho okɔ a enduo na abɛtɔ no na fe omo no so no watua ɛyɛ no so kra no ne boɔ no ɛsɛ fofofo wo da ne HM e wo sepe dote anfio no na ɛhɔ ɛna abɛkɔ na executive eba center wa akɔtɔ mo no anopay hasa hasa mesha ɛna fe hasa capsules ɛwɔ satanfo ɔsa ɛyarefo wodi dia boy ɛwɔ abansa obo ɛhyehyew sɛ ya me so anopay toanamo na kɔpɛ ɛyɛ ne hasa mesha ana fe hasa capsules ne be no 0240 238310 Kachako toothpaste Kachako yɛbɛdwetwe ɛsedia na Kachako me pachananim sɛ ne ɛyɛ body tire wodi bidie no ɛhyɛm sɛ pɛ na wadwetwiri na me bia tia kama ɛboa ma ase no enya hoɔden ye papa Kachako toothpaste ana me kan for dem solak mesha obema owon ma obema no ensa ba be gugu won ma ben say yellow bishbi na if obema no mu ba me so wate no konum solak mesha na anope emwa ye na royal foam na royal foam je wonim say student mattress no wo wura mo na akoto 350 Ghana cedis any a 3-inch no mattress no me so eno e 320 Ghana cedis per na waje wo die sesia na okọ royal foam dia on se student mattress ne de na papa ne nyina no ni asacho e pillow free wo mpewe na pede e kangen and magic drinking water e alkaline water e tunum bia e ma onya hodin ye pa e ma wankasa na wakoma no etimi pompe very well Dormaster no pay me kanfo Dormaster e di ama na Dormaster dia me so on the royal and special series snapper we no a 5 to 30 year warranty otobia obi tutu bom crystal enka yenko Dormaster wama so ye yenko GB cement vital na ba mesen capsules na onim se agan eto sen bema no oba no nemo precursor powder no GB ugibi afre womo omoncho se no we sianom no anope 3p garlic mesha and make am for the amount obi on ma moja no abro so ne oye den crystal na ne jabe be gina asthma anase stroke na kodani aba colinac na fe 3p garlic mesha no koko jodia onmo city ceramics ye ko ni aga koto ne plumbers auto bia e onmo na unim se ne udoni chemo onmo mi pachade ataw sa udo ni nyina no okọ no aga akoje dodo na enso e onmo na udi akosiesie udem onmo anope omo daroma na yede eye amanane nsem no Kweku Edilson aye krado edamana nsem no eba Kweku good morning
BPI fine there
BPI boko
fantastic na highest king restaurant yewo Ahinsan Estates our ladies junction what they do na wa contact to a highest king restaurant Juha bra na Virginia mapani bi ediesan se jane die a highest king restaurant OP wallpapers say wallpapers fie and I swear 3D wallpapers best alarms afei mo per ring lights ahoto ato a OP wallpapers dum nana kwesi adjuma story building chronom barrier also ba betu ya bra na Virginia mapano extra comfort foam statement can't say more per student mattress atono single bed double of a king size mattress a extra comfort foam and American for and so ediamau ya wa chuma francho ya bear chuma for sebra na yen so yenu endi juma nemom more per socks atono mesamo institutions are what war school for what war mesamo socks no yeah do bia more per customized ones are a ye shining star socks limited ya wa pradi ya ben Cosados Hotel bra na yenu endi juma ka from say obey aswaya yet it's a Yamano so Yamo discount, special discounts, and a DMO. But I swear, home appliances Sophia, a Kafan Company Limited into break. Come on, say, I patron about yet to send a wolf through a crofum no crofum magazine. Opposite what pay. Over to Kafan bra, now betting him a penny between sons. Home appliances Sophia, a Kafam. Omega instant chocolate milk na mesamo wunya bi no ya kwa na kwa try hwe bibia wom de wo ya wunsuo enti wo ye nsuo kakra bi na fa mix na hwade bon say yes bibia de enti anaka no pay wenya omega now the bread kakra bi de achim masa obe feel good but mo de na kwa bi esansa no and make am for ediama can't trust travel and ade emam say o me can tell say yeah go Dubai. Yeah, go Kenya. I can't trust travel. Next year, yeah, the strongman airco, yeah, the Kweku Edilson airco, Franco now, yeah, the airco. It's yeah, Kwako Bosho hot bra. 1% to quite echo to buy no. I can't trust travel. Yeah, you know, the airco, near Kwako Gini. It's Ibama Dana joining na fe program na say enya de coffee and more boostons and Mishamo more perma boostons at the am was no one will probably at the am sculpture boha ne staircase no pebi at the air swimming pool no open my boostons a coffee and more boostons yang and yet don't be also at the amount WS bets and thereby I swear also no assassin. Bra, register with WS Betting, Chabets, our WS Betting, Divine Hope, and a chair, herbal powder, no, and so at your bar, Bema, Wunchate, Pemwa, no one more chair, Herpasco. Herbal capsules, the Eben Livano buying a bit detoxify Livano, and so at the amount. I've mining training school, semi canchas, a prayer, so and a fee. Yet shall send over see dump truck, a fay, Buddhas, a Sawoto excavators, a war, bra, the end shall send over see actually Sunday by Oko Jaswa, Obanya Juma, and so it's me, aye, Bet's way, dear bride. Now register with Bet's way. Yes, son, say, or register. Also, no association. And Chanyamia to my rear, ya bet say, na ya the also, and so Eddie Amon said, Bet's dear. And no any Bet's way. I'm of BBI fine.
What could be a fine? I'm going to full captain now, I'm on fire, I'm pretty much in your
no more from say
I'm pretty much and my coach Didi Dramani said he Nimanka Wakasano Omunyan Fama
Pacho Omaka Bibiana
Omunyan can be a Yante on the coach Kasana player Kasa Nanka wiki
has the folks neighbor few
of course has neighbor few for a quiet bed 2 days ago Grandma had discussed it in some of Kenya
Pariado oh yeah dang
Omotion Fambrana and operations on my post to a Grammy a be on Facebook and I'm saying on the quality supporters no more stadium but Zito
why not call it
has a more ex on Facebook on the Grammy I'm saying I really Grammy down on the towards all quality supporters on Mumra Stadium but meanwhile at least coach up till now Obo game Sunday pre-match in Yamba
I'm off and somebody be a hard drink crab so bend yenimre nti mame enko emra na ebusa for announce some no toss Europa games that so stories for one Europa games kakra so Dynamo Zagreb etifie anse bi South Africa esa na miensa Rasta Belgrade esa ba ko lil entimi anse Nice effort tifie ema Frankfurt for na so ma kamiensa omuti emu ba ko Strasbourg and so game no in fact Salzburg game no Salzburg esa mienu ema go ahead Eagles and so entimi anse Sports and Braha SMensa Gang SNO eka enai Stormgrass etifie and not some game no obia entimi anse bi Bologna and a brand game no obia entimi anse bi and Aston Villa fantastic SM Maccabi Tel Aviv by 2-0 Ian Martin Ebo goal Daniel Malin and so at the go back Kahon Real Betis SMenu Olympic Lyon and so entimi anse Exazuli Ani Anthony, Omumienu and a Twatsano Adema Rebeti Stuttgart for SMU final to me Anse Rangers of 44 Emma AS Roma and so Echo Sane Camino and also so entimi Anse some of the adults who will Barcelona for Dr. Richard Pruna and now I call Echo Finland and in answer na for Lamine Yamal ho won say Lamine Yamal injury e be can catch us say still no na ya se no e Lamine Yamal ya na doctors for no hu so mo nya ni surgery ana so mo ntwan say de omo manage pain kakra nandra Dr. Richard Pruna aton san fat or call at the Finland Echo Dr. Lars Lepenen. Now, Dr. Way, yes, or your expert brutal. Now, one wouldn't even know, way, and a treaty, Usman Dembele, Papa Way, and a treaty, Nuno Mendes, or no, and a treaty, Rich James, I must say, Rich James Epopoli, Rona Royo, Afe Alejandro Badi, Papa, yes, or your expert brutal. It's a number of phone of friends, Papa. Now, yes, what's a Lamine Yamal ni prano na wana be boy o inti bo made na fei beso so mu kakra enti ya hwan sa papa no enso be so Lamine Yamal mu na fei Lamine Yamal inju no so etimi akọ Joao Pedro esia kan edema Chelsea o say what is doctors for na say Chelsea for no omusuro sedamu omo bo no na bia na epra bo so aka champanyfo no say oye fully fit e musuro esan so be so sia kan edema Chelsea inti champanyfo no adwe won say o be manage game so munyan ne san so no de ofu se ne mpom ne de ye opeso sia kan enso edema Chelsea so nan say enema ha ne kakra esan san say Chelsea e concede goals bi ho aya na e ha adwen o say e was Chelsea concentrate esan say so mo lusu pointer e bia the ambition of winning the English Premiership no enya de no so e be ko ye ntano ensama Joao Pedro enso e ka make Chelsea nsam no we say yes say English Premiership no Chelsea coach why changes makuma ko 85 changes our Chelsea lineup no company force and then Chelsea lineup send 11 players ya start or chinobeko na different lineup or chinobeko na different lineup makuma 85 changes yes they say recorder so far and also at the English Premiership for Manchester Bayern Munich for almost a contact Ibrahim Konate say almost omunyomo pe on sanana ye be catch us Real Madrid for omukuta interest nemo as Madrid for no mu Konate ye in Liverpool and now I'm the contract offer for so Emma Abrante for Ibrahim Konate nemo Manchester Bayern Munich for so de chire and komono e kakra and now UEFA for as a player of the week no e come feel team of the week and also so UEFA for no release this squad no and so at the by now check team of the week now. Very interesting. Manuel Neuer, Lucasen, Carlos Agosto, Robin Koch, Zappa Costa, Alexis McAllister, Maza, Carlos Forbes, Phil Foden, Mikel Merino, and Victor Osimhen. Way UEFA Team of the Week, Champions League, boy, you know, and also arrangements. No, Player of the Month for Manchester City, Echo Edema, Ellen Brot Holland. And see, Ellen Holland and then Manchester City, Player of the Month for October. Now, make Ellen Holland and some Joe Holland. FCC Manchester Crown Mubio said yeah Halandi all popo na ultra content all popo na ultra content and OTC Chrome and a continent kakra and a Jahalanders say on Fananam and Niagro or you know picture by say and run sounds where Drupio doctors for so only nam into Namadia Ogusua on also air now how men that say on think of was a more central for more Ghana for more be mutia me just on Tim Salami Yaman why am day or Salami Yaman on Tim was or see Lami Yamal or you mature enough to know say I deal way I was saw ye I deal way and you guys also saw ye and also Lami Yamal now brands and any said the Biana Musilami Yamal so also for so bia and so any so and I know and Valencia flood SC Emanipa Bebre and Valencia when himself call Barcelona Foundation no matter say Barcelona Foundation no see 3 facilities Nina sports and facilities on they are check Valencia Chrome work was a month ya say canina okay canina boma 300,000 euros 300,000 euros and Barcelona for a at the Ama Valencia for now as a place to be HB Ferran Torres a free in so you see Canada Duana at the Barcelona Foundation no afei na kipena HB Hansa Flick HB afei Barcelona mano enso so team no enso HB ni nyina guest Barcelona for enso ade ayama eja Valencia na no nsam wesisi yama sebi nipa bebre enso every club no in fact every club mu enso every mu no arrangement Barcelona for so aye ade ama mo no yan to so yan qualify for training ground say na otwi Liverpool and Manchester City and some Ketwa. Hey, tough game. Liverpool was a safe form now, but brutal. And I know was Aston Villa, was also as Real Madrid. Preparations no go so giddy some Ketwa. And say Liverpool for no training them. When a good swap, a chegun kakra, yeah, then you mean to hear television as well. Anna slots and was starting a place, and so Eddie common kakra, make Liverpool and some opponents. I am Manchester City, and round when it's Manchester City training grounds are now a shooting Pep Guardiola at Shanna place, Bono, a drone one say moon nice the Bia Ellen Halan on Quading. It's a now practice shooting is about before that. Pep Lenders, coach, in fact, assistant coach at Manchester City, and Pep Guardiola, J. Jumana, the man is catch a place no. Mon passe, after a draining war. Moma Savino, Mumbo short, maybe, young Manchester City training grounds, Wakakra.
Touch, 2 touch. Goalkeepers, you have 3 touch. 3. The guy who wins the ball has 3 touch. I tell you now, the team who use that better wins. The 3 touch. When you win it, you can go. This is football, stop! Hey!
Manchester City for and so a training grounds in Tomu, shooting in and so a good so Barcelona training grounds now also so at there. Nina said Barcelona for prepare for the game against Celta Vigo. Nyamia Duma Kwesiada 8 p.m. and a game in the back also says pressure kakra once and nanon omulusu to Real Madrid and almost say Elche and I'm gonna club Bruce so Buenra game no acquire drawings says as a pressure. Kakra, our Barcelona training grounds, but hands of flick. And so I'm a plus now. Your rondos kakra, Afe, Omuchamu Poke, Krebi, and say, and someone also across Barcelona for training grounds. Manchester United, dear, and now training on a chance and a coach now, Muko Jim. Meaning, Manchester United, and so I prepare for game against Tottenham Hotspur. Now, some game no, a Saturday 12:30, early kickoff. Game no, and Yansam Ketwa, and say Manchester United at gym session, so and no now make a game on one some no unim sanra Tottenham was for so air training no ye hu ye nua Muhammad Kudus e training grounds wo minim ye Kudus and now Tottenham for air training ye hwehwe Kudus or he ye hu e bia Kudus and so APFAT and now Tottenham for training in Yenya Kudus and also training Real Madrid Yanko Basa na Yanko Shadi Yakoso Real Madrid for so training grounds thing in answer Nyamia Tumu Akwesiada 3:15 Madrid, Aqua Valicas, and if I can, and so Aqua Siakai say, inches no coach I found a Jabi Alonso Yepa, when him said, no, I can't so or Electramini, Wepra, Danny Cabayal already or out, Master Antoine out, Antonio Rudiger, David Alabamina, and so out, since it training, and I to go television, so now him said, no, Ferran, Garcia, Eshe go be pa, wow. Now, Ojinechiro, or Maso. Na Bono at that's name from center to go, master. Ferrano Nana, training grounds Nanya, some Keto America Madrid, and some of the women said last month. Real Madrid, any branch for Antonio Rudiger, and so at Nancy, contrast extension. Yes, so much didn't come out anymore. Name 2 parties nina agree say omunya bochira Antonio Rudiger onya fully fit or fully fit here now fe oma discuss contract and some it is say yes so ma can edu pempen so be neighbor mom dey ato sanyame adomu next in fact next year early next year no one so ato negotiations no so and someone also appear fi hoba Piers Morgan and Ronaldo interview na second part na dey chain cray Ronaldo someone akwa kan Masa somebody piano say Ronaldo na adan in somebody be the other guy Ronaldo say and I know on will say Kylian Mbappe at European golden boots. Now obi samu amoya organizers ne say adan amon for Saudi Arabia goes in count. Also on some say adan anybody piano ya Saudi Arabia ho. Also for Saudi Arabia goes in bin count no dey obetimi aka so no ball with Spain. Also, easy scoring goals. I was Spain at Saudi Arabia. Hey, Ronaldo's Spain wow ball hopping. Then also easy cry. Also goes to Spain. Chance also goes to Saudi Arabia.
Should count like the goals to be the top scorer, the golden ball. Why they don't count Saudi League? Why? You see, look how many players, top players we have in the league. Check. Ask the other players if the league is good. Don't ask to me, because it's easy to ask me, because I'm always say the same time. Cristiano say that because he play in Saudi. No. Listen, I play everywhere. Everywhere. For me, it's more easy to score in Spain than score in Saudi.
Some pana now we say master walk up no Messi fans no so 1 GB say be on count cry and Ronaldo say master ono enye the dream so obeji walk up or say nyama why o football mu no so wanje walk up no entimi empepa the history or no Ronaldo why o football mu inti munya say walk up or say enye the dream cry.
My answer, if you ask me, Cristiano, is it a dream to win the World Cup? No, it's not a dream. Really? Yes. To win the World Cup, none will change my name in history of football. I'm not gonna lie. One thing that I'm sure, that I'm enjoying the moment. And I learn by the time that the moment is the most important thing that we have. We are not qualified already.
Yeah, honestly, all Canana players say, master, we are sure when you're obsessed about winning the World Cup, not say me. Who you so obsessed? Say Ronaldo say or swear when the muscle. Hey, Ronaldo say or swear. Ronaldo pay interview also or swear. When the market and getting also say or no World Cup. Say or you're obsessed about World Cup. Yeah.
So happy.
You would love it, Cristiano, to win the World Cup.
Yeah, but not obsession.
No, understand what you're saying.
I swear for my kids.
But I still think that image of you, if
I don't agree.
Understand what you're saying.
I swear for my kids.
But I still think that image. Understand what you're saying.
I swear for my kids.
But I still think that image.
Swear on my kids and say me walk up. Say me pre walk up haji. David also swear ne man get no swear almost.
I swear for my kids.
But I still think that image. Understand what you're saying.
I swear for my kids.
But I still think that image. Understand what you're saying.
I swear for my kids.
But I still think that image. Understand what you're saying.
I swear for my kids.
But I still think that image of you.
I don't agree. And I will be PS Morgan. If PS Morgan can say me PS Morgan de misusu say Ronaldo na oye good. Na okwa Argentina kura na Messi no almost so no. Messi no enya Argentina for goat no. Argentina for goat. I am Maradona. And Ronaldo etwa so ebi say he na ono or come and say Messi no oje World Cup no before beji World Cup na Argentina aje World Cup do huh? Oh no, Portugal they no nji trophies na so do ma 3 trophies.
Right, whether Messi is, I say Messi's not even the best Argentinian. Maradona was better than him.
How many World Cups win Argentina before Messi? How many? I don't know. 2 times?
Yeah, maybe 2, I think.
Yeah, but it's normal. These countries, they are used to win big competitions. Brazil, if they win the World Cup, they will surprise the world. No. If the Portugal win the World Cup, which is possible, they will shock the world. Yes. But in my mind, I don't think in that way. Of course,
Ronaldo and so ya de no so assemble pro when him send round FIFA best player awards no and nominees no enya babonten na best coach no ya hwe say nominees no babonten I'm for raise questions ni bebre which was the Ballon d'Or nominees no dia ba best coach how they are going Mikel Roberto Martinez and ahosc and nominee for best coach. Defenders, goalkeepers, best goalkeepers, and so Eddie Owa, best goalkeepers, and so Eddie best goalkeepers, Alisson Becker, Thibaut Courtois, Gigi Donnarumma, Emiliano Martinez, Manuel Neuer, David Raya, Jan Sommer, and Roger Szczesny. Defenders, nominees about Bontain, and so any defenders, na say be and answer say omo fa omo nyina deserve na Pauk Basi, Kweku Edilson, Memphis Afei, Alfonso Davis, Di Lorenzo, Ruben Diaz, Dumfries, Rafael Guerrero, Hakimi, Afe Dean Howson, Konate, Koulibaly, Jules Koundé, Gabriel Magalhaes, Afe Marquinhos, Nuno Mendes, Otamendi, William Pacho, Antonio Rudiger, William Saliba, Thiago Silva, and Adayo Pamecano, and a Virgil van Dijk, and all defenders are FIFA 4 Eddie Abasa yabe ya musun tonto na Afei ye defenders are almost so there for the year 2025. Young midfielders no swear. Now here has a midfielders no. We one almost fata na John Arias Ekahubi, Jude Bellingham, Moises Caicedo, Frankie De Jong, Bruno Fernandes, Enzo Fernandez, Ryan Gravenberch, Hendrich, McAllister, Alfie Scott McTominay, Jamal Musiala, Ruben Neves, Alfie Joao Neves, Michael Olise, Cole Palmer, Alfie Pedri, Declan Rice, Fabian Ruiz, Anna Bernardo Silva, Fede Valverde, Florian Wirtz, and Vitinha. Where a midfielders attackers no and no near some no attackers no. Impending for Alpha Dasri, Alfei Bradley Bakola, Usman Dembele, Desai Doi, Seu Grassi, Victor Gyökeres, Ellen Haaland, Henrik, Alexander Isak, Alfei Hurricane, Kivicha Kvaratskhelia, Robert Lewandowski, Lautaro Martinez, Kylian Mbappe, Lionel Andres Messi, Pedro Joao, Alfei Rafinha, Mathieu Retegui, Ronaldo, Mohamed Salah, Vinicius Junior, and a brand friend Lamine Yamal. Na ninyina mu Kesepano a FIFA best player. FIFA best player. Na ano ana mpanyufo say. Nominees ni enye Usman Dembele, Ashraf Hakimi, Harry Kane, Kylian Mbappe, Nuno Mendes, Cole Palmer, Pedri, Rafinha, Mohamed Salah, Vitinha, and Lamine Yamal. Inti enche FIFA for ebehi the FIFA best player of the world. When we say Duma, Manchester City and Liverpool Apple weekend, sa game no a Pep Guardiola game number 1,000 into 1,000th game and a Pep Guardiola ever the entire career anymore so far for Manchester City about 549 games for Bayern Munich, about 161 games for Barcelona, 247 and a Barcelona Quadano about 42 games. And see Pep Guardiola no Nyame Aduma against Liverpool a game number 1,000. Now Ruben Amorim Akasa and Kwamano El Dawson, Ruben Amorim and Omubisan say confidence in our camp there. Nyame Aduma Manchester United money Tottenham na airport arrangements no yenye GD Manchester United camp e ho kwasan mubawini against Tottenham.
I think again, I think we are more confident. We believe more that we can win any game, and we prove already that we can win any game. The last game was tough on us because in some moments we were not the team that we supposed to be. In every minute, and compare that to Brighton, and we suffer.
So I can't come bisa Ruben Amorim Sanano Ronaldo interview no or some plus maybe o wa omunye serious as omu kra no mu say Manchester United club no so and omu bobo no into Ronaldo nsam no kan no who be kafa Ronaldo nsam no one coach.
That some players don't have Manchester United in their mind. Do you think that's quite unfair maybe from a club legend like him, that maybe some of those players and some of those...
He knows, and he has a huge impact in everything he said. What we need to focus is in the future. We know that we as a club made a lot of mistakes in the past, but we are trying to change that. So let's not focus what happened. Let's focus what we are doing now, and we are doing that. We are changing a lot of things in the structure.
Ruben Amorim and so eka ana nyame aduma here officially Yanko Spotify company and bibia badeda na kwemu Barcelona for be stadium no ama supporters na kwa training and oh a Spotify company day. It was a pitch, you know, that's so clear. Hey, Barcelona there, and finally you beat 23,000. And the supporters, and some room obia into channel television also. Barcelona training, you know, in fact, a Spotify company in Tiana ye bie e diamond supporters ne say obia enso amra na ombehwe bi na meka Barcelona nsam no wonim say omo legends no Barcelona legends omo ne Real Madrid legends El Clasico legend games no weekend day ebekọ so El Salvador nyame adoma kwesiada na game no enso ebekọ so Gabriel Jesus Arsenal first striker Oprache brutal wonim say ye starting afeno January 12 Manchester United and Arsenal and Gabriel Jesus Opraye, keka kwa 1 year near Alfei and Gabriel Jesus. Finally, Nyankopon say wa returning ono so training edema Arsenal Gabriel Jesus say back internal training ground say ho nyama and no so atwaku television also to say ni GSM ba boy the buy no owie and owie video catch Arsenal supporters na say finally mo bomb pa edema ni nyina no back Gabriel Jesus.
Hello Gunners, yeah, it's me here. So second day out with the boys, so happy, and I cannot wait to see you on Emirates. Take care.
And some Gabriel Jesus and so eka when him say na name a pese Abrana Santos any Palmera sepono na name a peso COVID ekobo body bi na say doctors for the catch and say bono here bo astrotef ye jauma okoba wa hwe ne inji ebeba and no Palmera for na Santos bio Victor Roque hey boy, Barcelona former strike hey, and no about 2 goals. Wouldn't say I'll call Brazil so far 19 goals. And I want to say Santos for an area 17th. Chelsea for mobile team na munko turn in term. And yes, I'm about Santos no munko relegation. Now Manchester Real Madrid for say Manchester City any teams now more Vinicius Junior no simple 150 million euros. 150 million euros for the tour. And Sana European class and nobody come 150 million euros. Hakimi, Diamet said, or try us and Yamia to my Afcono, Enka, Obeso Kobo Nibi, or says a group stages in a crown, so when we crown Mobi, Nepia from quarterfinals, one crown of Bobi, Obeso boys and say, Sa Afcon way, a idea, a year, Pameka Afcon and some now, calf, Echo Shaka now blue for one as they say a handle DSTV, and no muso eating come on about a jar, send a hosty Afcon year. Broadcasting rights, you're trying to say you're a day arrangements in Echo. So, Yamia Tuma, during this international break, by Munchi Fuebe extended Visan Company. Ne technical team for no on back extend your BIA contract at the amount who said nano and a buy Munchi for a year Visan Company there. Then on the technical team, they say during the international break, Bibia Ebe Kama. Yet, something Ebe see na fe Yatwas Yamia Tuma area. Yeba sanso eshamu bio ente ye jamu ade ama morning show for no enti MCR please take over.